Round 2. New cat. Let me go get her. Hello. Oh, she's like here in the background. Isn't that kind of like a psychotic mean laugh? But here. It's okay. It's all right. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, calm down. Oh. Oh, it's not gonna get you. It's not gonna get you. So now you have one that's not old and sickly. You got one that's trouble. It's okay. Control the beast at all times. I think I'm gonna get more wet than the cat. Sit. I've forgotten how it is when they don't know what the bath is like. Oh. Just slowly control them until they have no will to live. Okay. All right, let's turn this water out because she's nothing to see. Oh, she's like, my God, I'm drowning. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. Oh. There we go. It's okay. It's okay. Oh. Say, what is all this about? Huh? Look at that sad face. She's like, God help me. She's like, I'll be a good kitty. Just kick me out of this boiling water. Good girl, Seraphina. That's her name, by the way. Sit. Like I said, I don't know if she's ever had a bath before. Maybe she has. Maybe just not in a sink. Oh, yeah. And she does have claws, by the way, but she's not scratching me. Sit. All right, here we go again. Again with the Tearless Suave Kids shampoo. I'm just gonna throw that on her because I'm not gonna waste any time lathering my hands up and having her jump out on me. It's okay, sit down. Sit down. Oh, sorry, this is annoying. Now I know how much brand I use. Okay, see it. See it. I know. Get in that poo-poo hole. I know what's happening to you. What's happening to you? Jojo kisses. She probably thinks, oh great, she's going to kiss me and eat my face off. I've gone to hell. I've gone to the pits of hell. Look at that sad little face. Say I hate you right now. You're going to get no kisses from me later. All right, comb. Again, comb through the fur. But you didn't see tutorial number 1 with the old lady. Again, this just kind of, I think, helps with the shedding issue post-bath. But that's just me. Again, eyes, ears, like if they're really dirty, I do those kind of separately, but you can do them in the bath too. Oh. Miss Sninkle Butt. And they're going to eat a lot more fur, you know, when they get done getting a bath. This is the other thing. Shh. When they get done taking a bath is that they get, they try, you know, obviously try to dry and comb their own fur out by licking. And the problem with that is she's particular, like almost like clockwork. Every morning she's puking up a hairball. She likes to eat a lot of her hair. And I groom a lot, which is good, but the drawback on that is that once they get a bath, they go to town. And we talk about they're gonna probably scoop stuff up. So a lot of times I try to give them something. So if you have some hair balm med, or maybe you've got coconut oil, I give her coconut oil. Try to grease up their intestines a little bit so that when they're purging, when they need to purge this hairball stuff, a big wad of hair they're probably going to ingest, it'll come out a little bit easier. Okay, we're not swirly. Again, eyes and ears you do separately. Unless they're super dirty, I mean, you can do it in here. Just keep the water out of their face. If you put water in their face, they panic. They think, oh my God, they're drowning for sure. I think that's it. All right, so you got to do a squeeze. So you push through them like that, squeeze them out. And that's the thing you'll find too. It's like the minute the water turns off, or you do any of the squeezing, oh, they cry. Oh. Pick up their paws. Oh, squeeze them out. Oh. See? Oh, you're dying. Just remember to have the towel ready. Again, towel placement. Throw it over them first. I'm assuming you have a mild cat. You could have a cat that's just terrified, jumping all over the place. I've had that before too. But they want to see, so they don't like their face covered. So if you get the face out, kind of put it around them like that, you're good to go. Say hello, I'm done. Yeah, skink face.